Hello me people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another cooking recipe, and in this video I will be cooking a Czech specialty which is called bramborák and smažený sír. So I will translate it into English like a potato pancake, and with it I will have a fried cheese. So let's go and have a look at the ingredients. For the potato pancake, which is called bramborák, we will need about 6 to 7 medium potatoes. We will need 1 egg, and then we will need about 2 spoons of a plain flour. We will also need lots of garlic. We will need majoram for it, and cumin, and salt. And then for the smažený sír, which is fried cheese, we will only need your favorite cheese. I'm using this vegan cheese. And then you need breadcrumbs and egg. So the first thing what you need to do is to prepare the potatoes. Let's peel the potatoes first. When you peel the potatoes, the next step is to grind the potatoes. So grind all of the potatoes to the bowl. So as you finish grating all the potatoes, when you finish grating all the potatoes, the next step for the bramborák is to put the salt. I will put the salt in there, just like 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it slightly. And now we will need to leave it for a few minutes on the side, so the water will come out of it. So the salt is helping to process the water out of the potato, so we need to leave it a few more minutes on the side. And in the meanwhile, while I'm going to be waiting for the water to come out, I'm going to start preparing the smažený sír, the fried cheese. So to prepare smažený sír, fried cheese, you only need to crack the egg in one bowl. Mix up the egg. Okay. Put the breadcrumbs into the other bowl. Okay, and now I need to put the cheese into the egg first. I'm using this vegan cheese as nice smoked cheese. This is like the best vegan cheese I ever tried, so I highly suggest this one. And so I'll put it in the egg. Make sure the egg is like from all of the sides. Now put it in the breadcrumbs. Try to cover it as much as you can with the breadcrumbs. But if you cannot cover it for the first time whole, then we will keep repeating the process about 2-3 times of putting the egg and the breadcrumbs on the cheese. Okay, cover it with the breadcrumbs as much as you can. And now again, back to the egg. Cover it in the egg. And then it will go back to the breadcrumbs. And we will repeat this process one more time. So this is how the smažený sír looks like when it's in the breadcrumbs. So 3 times it was coated in the egg and in the breadcrumbs. So I put it on the side, and I will continue now with the bramborák. So, as you see, there is some water come out already. So what you need to do, you need to squeeze out the water out of the potatoes first. Squeeze the water out and get rid of the water. Get rid of the water as much as you can. So the next step for the bramborak is just to put all the ingredients together. I use two polívka spoon, how to say this? 2 spoon, how to say that spoon? 2 big spoons are basically used of the flour. Then I use 1 egg. And now I need to grate the garlic. Now I need to grate the garlic inside. So I am using about 10 garlic cloves. That is very important ingredient for the bramborak. You need to use loads and loads of garlic to give it the right taste. Alright, now, so I put all of the garlic in. It smells really nice, full of garlic. The next thing, I'm going to put the cumin seeds. So I'm not going to put too much. Just like 1 teaspoon, not even that, just a few of them, like this. But now the majoran is coming, and that needs to be loads of it. So that is one of the most important ingredients as well. Same like the garlic, so I put loads and loads. Some people like to even put more, but yeah, the more majoran and the more garlic, the taste is very like intensive and really nice taste for the bramborak. Okay, that smells nice as well, the majoran. So as I put all the ingredients in, I will just use my hand to mix it all together. Just needs proper mixing, and that will be the bramborak ready. Just mix it up together properly. I would put even more flour. I can see by my eye. There needs to be just a little bit more flour. Much better now. So that will be bramborak ready. The last stage is just to fry it. Now we are getting into the last stage of bramborak and smažený sír. Heil in the pot. Lípa heil in the pot. Alright. Now we will fry this. Wait a minute to make sure that the oil is hot. When the oil is hot, you can start putting smažený sír into the pot. Okay. So now, this is the way how you actually make the actual bramborak. Just take 1 full spoon and put it into the hot oil. And just make it into a shape of a pancake. Now it is slowly frying together. Okay, smažený sír looks like might be ready from that side, so I will turn it around. Wow, that looks beautiful, that looks good. And the bramborak will be ready in seconds to turn around. Okay, time to turn around the bramborak to the other side. One side is ready. Okay, she seems like it's ready. Come on, smažení sír. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Okay, smažený sír ready. Bramborak will be ready as well in a few minutes. Okay, bramborak looks ready as well. Wow, that smells so nice. That smells so nice. So bramborak is like very common Czech fast food, but you can get in any like restaurant or Czech fast food. Also smažený sír is like very common in Czech. Smažený sír with chips. So I've done a combination of these two meals. That's like my thing. Alright, so I hope you learned something new from this video and you enjoyed it.